Keep litter out of your cat's paws. You probably have come to your wits' end, solving the litter tracking problem in your house. Tracked litter is utterly disgusting and unsightly. It becomes even more frustrating if the cat tracks litter after you have spent hours cleaning the floor. You have to understand that cat tracks litter unintentionally. Litter clings to its paws so that when it walks out from the litter box and onto the floor, the cat leaves litter tracks. You have to do something to stop this, so here are a few tips. Use litter box mat. A litter box mat should be placed right at the exit section of the litter box. This will catch litter that flies out of the box as the cat does its thing and will collect litter from the cat's claws. There are lots of litter box mats available today. Some, however, have protruded surfaces that cats don't like walking on. Be wary of these types and make sure to choose a mat that is comfortable for the cat. Place a rug. Aside from a litter box mat, a big, thick rug can also be used to collect litter from the cat's paws. The rug should be placed underneath the litter box and should be big enough to cover the area surrounding the litter box. Choose a rug that is specifically easy to wash. Install a ramp. Most litter boxes have built-in ramps. The cat walks on it as it exits the litter box, thereby removing the litter from its claws. If your litter box has no built-in ramp, you can try to make and install your own. You can cut a piece of wood and cover it with felt. Place the ramp on the exit section of the litter box. Make sure to clean the ramp as often as necessary, so it can collect more litter from the cat's claws. Try a sticky mat. Placed underneath the litter box, the sticky mat has an adhesive surface that will remove litter from the cat's claws. It is quite huge, so the cat has no option but to pass through it. Its adhesiveness wanes over time, but you can wipe it with wet rag to make it sticky again. Use pellet litter. Pellet litter is less likely to stick to the cat's claws, preventing litter tracks. For best results, place around 3 to 4 inch thick of pellet litter in the litter box. When you use this, you will notice that the cat no longer tracks litter when it gets out of its litter box. Keep paper towels close by. While doing this doesn't exactly remove litter from the cat's claws, it nevertheless keeps the area clean. Wipe the litter tracks around the area using the paper towels. Then, spray it with a cleaner. Wipe the cleaner off after. Remember that litter tracking can't be entirely eliminated. For as long as the cat uses litter, there would still be incidences of litter tracking. But you can at least prevent it by taking heed of the mentioned tips.